सर, पहला सवाल सर आपसे। एक डायरेक्टर ऑलवेज जब शुरुआत करते हैं फिर वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कब मैं दुनिया को दिखा सकूं अपना बेबी। इसमें काफी समय लग गया बनाते बनाते। फॉर द डायरेक्टर ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूटी मैच करना, पेशेंस रखना, इट्स अ टफेस्ट जॉब। कैसा रहा सर आपके लिए?
नहीं, आई थिंक द जर्नी वाज बहुत स्मूथ था ये पिक्चर का, इनफैक्ट, क्योंकि एक तो स्क्रिप्ट बहुत पहले रेडी थी एंड द एक्टर्स वर प्रिपेयर्ड। तो आधे से ज़्यादा काम तो मेरा वहीं इजी हो गया था एंड कुछ नहीं, कहीं रुकी नहीं फिल्म, इन स्पाइट ऑफ देयर आर सम फिल्म्स व्हिच गेट लकी इन स्पाइट ऑफ कोविड का। ये भी हम लोग बीच में निकल के भी जस्ट फिनिश द फिल्म इन क्वाइट अ डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम। एक तो प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा था, तो एक आधा वरी निकल जाता है ना, कि देयर यू डोंट हैव टू यूज योर एनर्जी बाय कि अरे ये मांगता है मेरे को, वो मांगता है। एंड आई थिंक वी हैड अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट। जो बेस, एक तो इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन समथिंग, जो बेस भी अच्छा था, तो वी ट्राइड टू इनकॉर्पोरेट समथिंग, एक उसका बेस लेके द स्क्रिप्ट है शेप्ड अप वेल एंड इट वाज अ फिल्म विच वाज टू माई लाइकिंग और मेरा जॉनर था। So I think things were easy, and this girl I found new, and I think she's going to give a lot of girls a run for their money.
High praise in your first film. Before I go to the rest of cast, sir, say बाकी महेश सर कहाँ चले गए? ये जो न्यू एंड इम्प्रूव्ड फिटनेस वाले वर्जन जो भी सलमान सर के साथ फिल्म करते हैं, सब मतलब ये डाइट और वर्कआउट ही शुरू हो जाता है सर?
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं था, but I had worked out just before Antim. I had lost about 35 kgs.
So that itself is a big round of applause for that.
Yeah. I was 105.
Well done.
But फिर then एक unfortunate thing happened after I finished Antim. वो एक ऐसा था कि I was diagnosed with cancer. During, yeah. I shot about the last portion when I had cancer. In fact, I was taking chemotherapy. But then today I'm very happy to tell you that I'm cancer free and.
Congratulations, sir. Well done. The fight is always tough.
And he got to know that he had cancer before shooting Antim. He did not tell us, but then we found out. And then as soon as he finished the first lot of shoot, then he went and got himself operated. And now today he's...
Looks fantastic. Salman sir, always pressure on you whenever you have other faces with you also. There's a matchup, body matchup also. That also happens rarely. How much did you have to work on Ayush to make sure that the matchup worked?
I had an advantage of age and experience, and he did have an advantage of enthusiasm and 4 months. Yeah, I started one and a half week before the body shot. And I thought it was going to get postponed by 4 days, but he would not be able to handle those 4 days. So I had to shoot in those 4 days.
Ayush, this is always a big time for you also. Like I said, तुम्हारा इंतजार रहता है कि यार मैं जल्दी लोगों के सामने अपने नए अवतार प्रेजेंट करूं. And we were talking about this also last time, आपकी not just body, even the look is a very different look, of course, and it's shades of meanness, negativity, tough action boy, which you aren't in real life. तो कैसा था ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन? मुश्किल?
I think it was very different, as you said, that it's not me in real life. So physical transformation is one aspect of it, but to understand, to do it properly, I think Mahesh sir was very kind enough to help me translate this character. He really helped me on set and used to help me before the shooting began, or to understand what I need to do and how to not make it loud, but make it underplay the whole character. But more than anything, it was Salman bhai who really inspired. For 2 years when the film was in pre-production stage, he'll constantly keep inspiring that, this is a film that you need to change yourself, do something different. And I think I'm very lucky that, many actors don't get a chance in the second film to change themselves completely. I think I'm very grateful for the makers to give me that opportunity.
I have 2 opposite brother-in-laws. One is the most patient one, that's Atul, the most impatient one. कब ट्रेलर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब डिजिटल पोस्टर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं शूट, खत्म करो इसको.
But it's worked well.
कब रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
Are you happy with the final product of Ayush?
Me? If you ask
both
me,
of you, sir.
Me.
This is the final product. He said you kept inspiring, and you were.
No, we were happy with this product when my sister got married to him.
But I
And
will
we are
want
happy with
to-
their products also. Very happy with Ahil and Ayat.
So
but if
this
you ask
production
me,
has done
If
well.
you ask me, I think you expect something. When you're working with an actor, you expect something. This guy will deliver this much. But I think he has far exceeded my expectations. He is fantastic in the film, and I used to think, "ठीक है," but I want people to see Salman in the film because he's a different Salman in the film, and he has done a brilliant job. So I'm more than happy because I got to work with two guys who I'm very, very satisfied when I see the thing. Ki I feel ki they've done a great job.
And she's done a brilliant job as well also. Maima, congratulations to the big stage. You're a semi-veteran, film debut, yes, but so for the audiences, like we did this, when did you actually first appear in front of the camera?
Firstly, hi, good
Yeah.
evening. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for making our day even more special. Okay, so to answer your question, I started off acting when I was 10.
So this is an easy cakewalk for you then.
Not at all, not at all. First of all, I can't believe that I'm sharing the stage, the screens with the people around me, and it still feels unreal. And let me tell you, it's a dream come true. Never did I think that I will get this opportunity to work with Salman.
Shori nikal gayi.
Arey! Never did I think that I would get an opportunity to work with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, incredible people, and to work on a wonderful script. So it was definitely not a cakewalk for me. It was more about proving myself that sir ने अगर Mahesh sir ने Salman sir ने भरोसा किया है तो I should prove myself. And I am, like sir said, the character is extremely, it's a pataka. She was a firecracker. So for me to crack her and to pull her off was
Very simple.
Oh no.
As you can all see.
So it still feels unreal, and I can't tell you how happy, how emotional. It's a mixed emotion that I have inside me right now, but I feel incredible and happy, and yeah.
I'm so happy you really sound excited about that. That's the way it should be.
Yeah.
Wait till the 26th.
Yes.
You probably won't be able to sleep at night. Two gentlemen over there. Yeah.
Huh? Garipana she's there.
Your family is here, right?
Yes.
Sweet. Two gentlemen standing over there. This conversation cannot continue without introducing them. Ravi Basrur Saab and Hitesh. Ravi Basrur Saab, KGF 1, The first time I went into a theatre to watch that, I was one of the few people, and I was discussing with Ravi sir. The sound when, Yash walks in, it just blew everybody's mind away. So he created the BGM for that, and he's just one of the most incredible sound gentlemen that there is. The full sound
Thank you very much.
of this film, lyrics, everything is him. Sir, होता है पर्दे के पीछे जो लोग होते हैं और जो साउंड बनाते हैं, लोग they don't know them. बड़े stars दिख जाते हैं. You're a superstar down south as well, sir. What is it to create sound for a film? Just for all our entire audience.
थैंक यू सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. मेरा मानना है कि फूल का बगीचे में बहुत सारे फूल होते हैं. सभी को भगवान का उधर यानी कि आपका उधर आने का बहुत तरस होता है. सो क्या होता है ना, जो जब हमारे अंदर का जो टैलेंट है, सो इट्स फर्स्ट सेलेक्टिंग द डायरेक्टर. आई वांट टू थैंक डायरेक्टर. दोस्त हमारे जो अंदर जो भी टैलेंट हो, विदाउट इनका सिलेक्शन हम आ नहीं सकते आपके उधर. उसके बाद प्रोडक्शन हाउस, सो दे आर द सेकंड गॉड. हमको खाना और हमारा जो मन में यानी आपको देने का है करके, सो उसको फुलफिल करने वाले प्रोडक्शन हाउस. थैंक्स अलॉट सर मेरे ऊपर ट्रस्ट करने के लिए. सो टैलेंट सभी के ऊपर होते हैं, लेकिन टैलेंट का मतलब ही नहीं. सो जो सेलेक्ट करता है, जो अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है, ही इज़ द गॉड. थैंक्स अलॉट फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी.
And Hitesh, बड़े पर्दे पर बड़े नाम के साथ जुड़ जाना, इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स. मैं कितने कंपोजर्स को जानता हूँ, कितने म्यूजिशियंस को जानता हूँ जिनकी आवाज़ होती है, लेकिन लाइक रवि सर सेड, वो पहुँचने का जरिया नहीं होता है. एंड दिस प्लेटफॉर्म, एनी टाइम यू गेट इन्वॉल्व विद सलमान सर, दिस प्लेटफॉर्म जस्ट इंक्रीजेस, इट जस्ट बिकम्स वाइडर. तो इस एक्सपीरियंस में आप जरूर बताएं.
मेनली तो मेरे लिए मतलब यहाँ पे सर और महेश सर और सलमान सर इनके साथ खड़ा होना, मतलब दिस वाज अ ड्रीम. मतलब
तो बैठ जाओ.
This was a dream, and you know, मतलब इनके जो thoughts थे गानों को लेके, and they were very sorted. And you know, I used to get suggestions from Salman sir also, Mahesh sir also, and then to incorporate their ideas on, and you know, work on the songs. It was a great experience for me, and मतलब this is a dream for me also.
Lots of dreams getting fulfilled, and I will open out to. We haven't done this in a long time, so guys, आपके लिए.
रवि बसूर साहब से जब मेरी बात हुई तो मैंने उनको बोला कि इसका बैकग्राउंड को मेरे को ऐसा, सर आप फिक्र मत करो, थिएटर की कुर्सियां हिलेंगी. सो आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर द कुर्सी टू हिलो. क्या हिल रही थी कुर्सी? यू फेल दैट? यू गाइस फेल दैट हिलो इन द कुर्सी? अब 2.5-3 साल हो गए थिएटर में कुछ चीज़ देखे हुए. पिक्चर तो छोड़ो, ये पहला ट्रेलर जो देख रहे हैं हम, तो इफेक्ट थिएटर का पता चलता है. That there's no other alternate to this big screen.
And we need films like yours to come out, sir. हम सबकी
films like ours and
media
everyone
also.
else's, the whole industry, because and the fans to keep coming back into the theaters and be safe. That's the most important thing there is.
Absolutely. I'm going to open out now. Please do come with your questions. Yeah.
Sir, hello.
एक सेकंड. माइक जा रहा होगा जिन के पास, right? तो
Check. It's quite a massive transformation. Could you tell us something on that?
Sir, the film is different. The character was very different. So I just wanted to justify being a part of this movie. So that's why it was about a change of 2 years. I had to change myself, put on a lot of weight. Actually, it was almost like going back to the drawing board post Love Yatri to play Raulia on screen.
And Salman sir, you know, the cop reminds us of Arjun Ranawat in terms of intensity, rawness, and everything else. And I think this is the first time since then that we are seeing you in this avatar. How would you define this cop character? And do you agree that this is the first in the intense space for you since Garv?
Correct. You're absolutely right. Dabang was a different character. So was Wanted, and so was Radhe. This is like that Arjun Ranawat kind of character, serious and heart and mind both working together in tandem. And he is very strong. He is dedicated to his job, and even though all the opposition, he manages to get things done his way.
Thank you and good luck.
आयुष आपके लेफ्ट में.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
आयुष जी, जब आपको बताया गया या आपको पता चला कि
आयुष कौन है इधर?
जब आपको बताया गया या आपको
कौन है
पता चला कि
आयुष?
एक सेकंड रुक जा. और गुड टू सी यू भाई, तुम्हें भी बहुत टाइम से नहीं देखा है.
थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू.
आयुष?
नहीं आयुष.
आयुष.
जब आपको बताया गया या आपको पता चला कि आपको सलमान जी के सामने शर्टलेस होना है और वो भी शर्टलेस होकर फाइट करनी है, तो क्या कुछ चल रहा था आपके दिमाग में?
सर मैंने पहले हार मान ली थी. मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आ रही थी टेंशन के मारे. और कभी ऐसा मतलब स्क्रीन में तो बहुत बार जब सलमान भाई की शर्ट उतरती है तो सीटी मारी है. अभी बहुत डर लग रहा था कि मैं उनके सामने खड़ा हूँ. और यूजुअली हमेशा प्रे करते हैं आप कि जब सलमान भाई फाइट करेंगे तो बहुत मजा आएगा. इस बार पिटने वाला मैं हूँ. तो मुझे डर बहुत लग रहा था. और आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग जब मैंने भाई को सेट पे मिला था तो मैंने कहा भाई थोड़ा जस्ट गो ईजी ऑन मी, बिकॉज मुझे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था कि मैं इस टाइम इस मोमेंट में सलमान भाई के सामने खड़ा हूँ.
सलमान जी, आप कुछ टिप्स भी देते हैं कि
हाँ, कि बहनोई को मारते नहीं, ब्रदर इन लॉ पे हाथ नहीं उठाते. और जब ये आए थे फर्स्ट टेक के अंदर तो भागते हुए आए फुल जोश के अंदर और पंच यू मारा. तो आई वाज लाइक नहीं भाई, ये इसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम, यहाँ पर तुमको मारना ही पड़ेगा. तो फिर इसके महेश, हाँ, इसके करीबन 14-15 टेक हो गए. और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब ये पूरी पिक्चर में होते रहेगा.
आयुष, यू आर स्कैर्ड टू हिट.
सर मैंने साइड में बोला था गाड़ी रेडी रखना. गलती से हाथ इधर उधर हो गया तो मैं डायरेक्ट भाग के गाड़ी में बैठ जाऊंगा.
हाँ, तो जाओगे भी तो घर ही जाओगे.
बट तब तक थोड़ा शांति हो जाएगा. बट बहुत डर लग रहा था बिकॉज बहुत जैसे सडनली बताया था कि आके भाई को पंच करना है. तो आई थिंक भाई इज़ वेरी काइंड, तो रियल लाइफ में तो काफ़ी स्वीट होते हैं, बट जब आप ऑन मूवी सेट में देखते हो, दैट्स व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि आप सलमान खान के सामने खड़े हो और आपको उनको पंच मारना है. सो आई थिंक दैट डे थोड़ा पैल्पिटेशन टाइप हो गया था मुझे.
Hi, Ayush Sana from Indian Express here. Hi.
Hi ma'am.
As you rightly said कि डर लग रहा था, but given that Salman is there with you in this film, do you think it will work as an advantage because you know there's a certain section of audience that will definitely come to watch the film, or are you nervous because there would be comparisons and of course references?
Ma'am, for any actor, that's a different subject that I am related to him. But for any actor, it's a dream come true to be in a project that has Salman Bhai. For me, I am very lucky that I am on the poster as well. So I think it's a huge advantage as an actor to be working with him. There are certain things you learn while you are training, and there are certain things you learn while you're on set. And to be a part of, I think most of his films have been so famous and they've been so popular. I think it's a dream come true for me to be a part of a movie that so many people, it reaches to so many people. So I can get the advantage of showing my work to a lot of people.
And Salman from Bhai.
ये जो भी इन्होंने स्पीच दिया है, इसको संभाल के रखना. कुछ सालों के अंदर, I told Bhai not to do it, but he didn't listen only. Yeah.
And Salman, from Bhai Jaan to Hindustan Ka Bhai, as your character rightly mentioned, tell us more about playing a Sardar, because I think it's probably for the first time that you're doing that.
No,
also.
I did that. I did that in Heroes a long time ago. And then when you play a character like that, then you need to, give it your best. And so whenever you play a character, any character actually, and you just need to just be very pure and just be very careful and be very, very respectful and dedicated to that character.
And Mahesh sir, I also wanted to ask you, given that, as Salman rightly mentioned, that you got to know about your illness before the film, how difficult was it to actually shoot amid the illness, or was it actually a healing process for you because you were on set?
No, actually what happened is, when I got to know I have cancer, but I don't know, I was lucky, the chemos didn't affect me at all. I had to take 4 chemos first before going in for a surgery, and it was a huge surgery. But then during the shooting, I was under chemo, and it didn't affect me so much. But then, I don't know, I think work drives you, your passion drives you. And I always think positively. I never, it didn't shock me that when they told me I've got cancer. So I just accepted it, and I said, ki, chalo, there are so many people who get cancer and who still fight and survive. So it didn't bother me too much. And then all were helpful in Salman. Everybody knew, so they were all very, very caring, and there was no problem at all. And as I said, the film was like down my road. So I was quite comfortable, and I think both of them were so supportive. In spite of, it was a change of role for Ayush also, and change of role for Salman also. It has whatever humor there is in the film. It comes out of situations. Humor is not thrust in the film. So it is a very, very serious film, but then there is sort of a black comedy in the film. But I'm very, very satisfied with the way the film is shaped up, and it is to my liking. It is a commercial film, but still it is a real film.
Just one sec. Have we got the mic coming here? Asha, actually, you're loud enough. We'll have you.
लेकिन जेंट्स फर्स्ट या लेडीज फर्स्ट? बोलिए जेंट्स फर्स्ट. चलो
okay.
भाई, जेंट्स, लेडीज ने बोल दिया जेंट्स फर्स्ट.
माइक किसके पास है?
और आप बात मान जाओगे? हाँ. नहीं, go ahead. देखो, पहले तो आप लेडीज और फिर आप सेकंड रो में बैठी हो.
आप कर रहे हो, आप पूछ लो ना. हाँ, बेटर हो जाएगा.
और आ जाएगा नहीं तो.
जी, बोलिए, पूछिए.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here from Times of India. Mahesh ji, the question is for you.
One sec.
Mahesh ji, the question is for you. This side. Yeah.
There.
So you're working with Salman after a very long time, though even your daughter has worked with him, and this time you're directing the film. You're a part of, direction as well as actor. So can you elaborate about your role in the movie?
My role as an actor?
As an actor and as the director, how was it?
As an actor, I didn't want to, but actually Salman forced me to do the role. What happens is when I prefer not to act in a film I direct, because you always feel you can't see yourself act. You can't say okay, because you're there, you don't know what you have done. But then I did
It was
it.
more than okay.
Most of the times I used to share कहे ना कि ये scene में इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं, so I used to not do. But then I the role was nice, beautiful cameo, so I just did it. But as a director, because I've known Salman now for so many years, we have done so many films as co-stars, so I know Salman. Beyond films also, I treat him more like a brother than a friend because I'm always at his home. So and I know what capabilities he has. So it was never a very difficult thing to direct him at all. In fact, it was much easier because I knew exactly what I wanted from him. The only thing I wanted was to say the lines and mean the lines. So many a times what happens is people enact their lines, which I feel there, somewhere a little hamming comes in. So I just told him, I said, you believe in the lines and say the lines. There are so many times when the people go on screaming and shouting the lines and, they jar. So it was never at all difficult working with Salman because I know him and he knows me. So there was I was not overawed by him or not scared of him. So that helped a lot. And I really loved working with him because he's one hell of an actor for a director. So he's
How
very
come,
good.
sir, you were not very critical of him ever? Sometimes is that zone there that family है, so I might be a little more extra critical in a scene.
बिल्कुल नहीं सर, बिल्कुल नहीं सर. जब सर को गुस्सा आता है तो अच्छा खासा आता है, पूरे सेट को पता होता है सर गुस्से में.
तुम्हारे पर आए हैं सर को
कौन से
ज़्यादा?
सर? ये सर या ये सर?
मैं तो सलमान सर की बात कर रहा हूँ. सलमान सर आपके साथ क्रिटिकल नहीं होते हैं क्या? आपकी फैमिली हो तो do a little better job, do a better take. Is that pressure not there? Sir, actually this is directed to you. Were you not more critical of him because has to show a little more?
I keep my criticality within myself. Because then it becomes a big critical problem for him at home.
Bhai is being modest. Bhai is very
I will say
critical about
something
it.
to him. He will go and tell Arpita that this is what Bhai said. And Arpita said, what have you? Then they call Gumas around onto me. So, but he's a sensible boy. He knows his stuff. He has his brains in the right place and he uses them as well. Padha likha chokra hai. And good at heart. Abhi tak to.
My last question is to...
Samina, just finish. Sorry, I interrupted you there. Yeah, please.